Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is dumb money. Now, what does dumb money mean? I don't particularly like this word, but sometimes people act dumb. Now, one example is recently Hertz Rent-A-Car. They went bankrupt, and the stock quadrupled after that, as investors were buying it at $1 and ran it up to $4. On Wall Street, and I've spent over 30 years on Wall Street, they call that dumb money. That's people trading or investing in things in which they don't really understand what they're doing and don't take the time to pay attention to why. Now, sometimes really smart money doesn't do well either, but generally if someone's considered smart money, they know what's going on and they have an axe to grind. They get what's going on with the company. Follow the smart money is a term relative to follow the dumb money. Now, that doesn't mean that dumb money means that people are dumb, but they could be doing dumb things. I've seen countless examples of dumb money make money. Doesn't mean you're going to lose money, but on Wall Street, we call people that are investing for the wrong reasons or for no reason dumb money. Today's word is dumb money.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.